Hi there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update the Chrome app on iPhone. So assuming that you already have the Chrome browser installed on your iPhone, what you can do is you can head over to App Store, and within the App Store on the search bar, you can search for Chrome. Once you searched it, you will be having this first result, which is Google Chrome, and you will have this update command. So if the update button is visible, that means your Chrome is outdated. What you need to do is you need to simply tap on this update command, and then the Chrome will automatically download and install the latest updates. So you can see that the Chrome has been updated and it is now showing open command or open button instead of update button. You can read what all updates have been included in the recent updates and tap on this version history to read more about the latest updates. So in this way you can update your Chrome app on iPhone. That's it. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.